Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another fashion 10 ways to style video. In today's video, I'm going to be styling a black blazer 10 different ways. So these are 10 outfits that I put together that I plan to wear throughout my fall season. I kind of just wanted to see if this black blazer was going to be part of my capsule wardrobe headed into the fall. Am I really gonna wear it? How do I see myself styling and putting together these outfits? So they are very practical outfits. There are some that you can dress up a little bit more for workwear, going out. I also have some very casual ways that you can style a blazer and one transitional piece from summer into that fall season. So if you're curious to see how I would style a black blazer, then just keep watching. So the black blazer that I purchased and that I will be using to style throughout this video is from H&M. You can literally get black blazers anywhere. You can go really high end with it, or you can go thrift store with it. Like, you can get a blazer anywhere. You just want to make sure it fits and is versatile in the fact that it can be dressed up or dressed down. And I think that I dealt with some that were just way too structured and dressy, and then some that were just like really casual and didn't feel like you could dress them up. So I think just finding the black blazer that works best for you. I really love this one from H&M. Again, I think that it can be dressed up a bit more, but I think it can be dressed super casual, which I am going to show you. So I will try to link this exact one down below. We all know H&M loves to sell out really fast, but I will try to link some other similar options as well in case you can't get your hands on this one, but this one is a nice one. The quality isn't like everything, but I feel as though blazers are still one of those. Yes, I know they're classic, they're timeless, but they're trendy now. They haven't been trendy for a couple of years. I feel like you still see them, but they're not as big of a trend as they were like when I was in college. So it's something that I think that you can go still as like a trendy piece to add to your wardrobe, and you don't have to invest a ton of money in a blazer, but yeah, depends how much you plan to wear it. So I want to share with you 10 different ways that I plan to style mine. So the first way is going to be as a transition from summer into the fall, and that is pairing it with denim shorts. Now, denim shorts and blazers I think can be so cute. You can go with super short cutoff ones if the blazer is really long, and it can kind of give you a difference of like bulky long on top with short and skimpy down at the bottom. I chose to go with a very standard length short, pretty long for me, because that's what makes me feel the most comfortable. And I paired it with a pretty neutral striped taupey top. I recently picked this up from H&M and I think it's super cute. It's kind of a pretty like stark difference with the black blazer. So cute, so easy to dress down, throw on just a pair of casual shoes, even sandals, and this would make a great transitional outfit. Let's say it gets a little chillier at night, or you want to go grab drinks or something like that at night, you can just throw on the blazer for a little extra layer, a little extra dimension and flair to a pretty basic outfit. So that one is going to be, I know, a favorite as I'm transitioning into the fall months, because it's still in the 80s here, so we aren't full blown fall yet. The next outfit, or the next way that I would style this, is so layered. This outfit is an outfit that you could wear when it is cold out, but you don't want to wear like a jacket. I love this layered look. I absolutely love the layered look of a button down underneath a like crew neck t-shirt, or like crew neck sweatshirt. And I love sweatshirts underneath blazers. I just think it gives this effortless, really cool, chic look. I'm a fan of it. So I paired this striped green button down where you can just peek out the top as well as down at the bottom over the top that black blazer. Pops this black kind of embroidery on the crew neck sweatshirt. I think it's so cute. And just pair it with a pair of very basic, really good fitting jeans and a pair of sneakers, and it's such a casual but like put together and warm look. And if you are like really cold, you could always layer underneath the button down like a thermal sort of shirt, and you'd be good to go, and it would give you the look of an outfit while being still really warm and not having to wear a big bulky jacket. So I love that about blazers, is that you can really layer under them. So that's another key piece when you're trying to find your perfect blazer, is size matters. Depends what you want to wear it, how you want to wear it. Do you want it super oversized? Do you want to be able to layer stuff underneath so you don't want it to be too tight in the arms and all of that? So very, very key points that you want it to be the right fit when you're looking for a blazer. So make sure you shop around to find the best one for you and your shape. Another super casual way is to just throw some stripes on with this. So throw the stripes shirt underneath. This is a little larger one, a bit more oversized. Would be super cute with, I just paired it with my Birkenstock clogs because I'm obsessed with them. But you could also throw on loafers with this outfit and it could be a more like casual office wear sort of look. Put together, classic, simple, your basics with the black blazer and a striped shirt. I feel like you cannot go wrong, and a good fitting pair of jeans. And like I said, I wore casual with my Birkenstocks, but you could dress it up more with like some loafers or yeah, chunky loafers that are in right now. I like more of like a slide loafer, but either way, such a cute classic look that you cannot go wrong with. And then I think it's fun to also add kind of a different element. So the blazer is very classic, it's trendy right now, but it's a very classic piece, very structured. And throw it on with some ripped denim. I love this pair of ripped denim from Old Navy. So the next couple of outfits I'm going to share with you are featuring these jeans. These jeans do not look like they're from Old Navy. They're so amazing. Like, they're just perfect. And they fit really well. I love the frayed edges. And I think that pairing like kind of a more, I don't know, unconventional bottom with a very fitted top is always like a cool look to do. So I absolutely love that. It gives it just a chic, effortless look. And then the next outfit I paired it with was just a plain black long sleeve ribbed tee. Tee. I feel like everyone needs this in their wardrobe. It is such a like classic look that is, I don't know, just so chic. I feel like you cannot go wrong with a good fitted ribbed long sleeve tee. And it's just like a full monochromatic look with the ripped jeans. It's like fun, but like classic. I would also pair it with a pair of black jeans, would be really cute for like a full black fit, but love that look. Just very easy. Again, very office appropriate. Now, if your office is not allowed jeans, you could throw this on, opt for some black trousers or something like that with the black slides and you'd be good to go. But that is an outfit that I would wear literally anywhere. It's so perfect, so cute. Another way to kind of dress up a little bit of a blazer, add some different interest to it, is to add a pop of color underneath. So I love this orange sweater. I think it's so cute. I've like really dove into some more colorful sweaters to add to my collection. Sweaters don't just have to be neutral and boring. They can be really fun and they can still be really big basics in your wardrobe, because this is also going to be awesome to transition from the winter into the spring months, because it's a fun pop of color but it's still warm. So absolutely love this. It can look a little Halloween-y with the black, but I think it's super cute, especially with some ripped jeans. Gives just a very effortless laid back look. And so cute. The next outfit is going to be your classic like date night sort of outfit. So throw on like a little lacy tank. I've had this one in my collection for years and years, but this one's just from Abercrombie. You can get so many of them. I know you're starting to see more fitted lacy tanks. I still prefer like a flowy thing like this. So cute to just throw the blazer over the shoulders, throw on some heels with some ripped denim, and it's a very casual but chic look. If you don't know what to wear, like so let's say you're going on a first date, or you just like don't know what to wear in general, I feel like you cannot go wrong with a black top and jeans and some heels. You're good to go, depending obviously what the attire is, but you're good to go. And I think this is such a cute staple way to dress up a blazer. And then the next one is going to be your classic dress down with a basic white tee, a good fitting pair of jeans, and some Converse. I love Converse with black and white, because obviously they're black and white, so I feel like it just ties it together. Throw on a baseball cap of your preference. So cute. I just feel like this is a fun like ball game. Just literally anywhere, super quick and easy but put together outfit that I love. And I feel like the hat is a nice like accessory to kind of like break it up. You could also go with a fun color hat since your outfit is super, super neutral. The next way I liked to style, or I plan to style this black blazer, is with a pair of kind of like slim flare jeans. I know these are super in and I love them with my high top Converse. It gives me height. It gives me a little bit of youth in terms of like the fact that they're flare, but they're fitted really nicely in the leg. I love these from Zara. Again, throw it on with a fun pop of color. Again, it just adds like a little bit of dimension when you have this big like oversized blazer with a chunky sweater underneath, and then you've got thin pants with some chunky heels. I think it's so cute, and the lines of everything really go really well together and pair really well. And I love, again, like I said, a pop of a sweater underneath a very like structured and very classic timeless blazer is, I think, a fun way to kind of elevate it into your style. Okay, this next way is so fun, and I know I'm gonna wear the heck out of this outfit. So I recently picked up a pair of the infamous Spanx leggings, which I will be probably doing a video on how to style these 10 different ways as well. In this video, I went pretty casual in terms of just like a button down underneath. I like that it's longer, so it covers the bum and covers the front section, and then threw the blazer on over top of there. So cute, so easy, such a good like travel outfit if you do have to like go to lunch or something like that afterwards. You're comfortable in the leggings, the boots seamless with the leggings, so cute. And you could go with a full monochromatic look in terms of you could just wear a black button down underneath there. It would be really cute as well, but this is a fun way to add sort of pops of color and show your personality within that all black, really basic outfit. But the liquid leggings are so cute with the blazer. I love it. Again, very tiny on the bottom and very large and kind of like structured on top. Such a cute look. And then last but not least is the outfit that I'm currently wearing. Again, can be dressed up very work appropriate. I dressed it to my needs, which it is a basic like turtle mock neck tank sweater with some shoulder pads in it, which I think is so cute. A pair of wide leg trousers, which are very trendy right now. If you're in the office, you can wear it with a pair of loafers. I paired it with Converse because that's how I would wear it. Throw on that black blazer, and it's such a fun, very trendy, but still all very within my comfort zone pieces with the Converse and whatnot. So that was a really fun, kind of out there outfit for me, but I still absolutely love it and will be wearing the heck out of it this fall. So that is it. Those are the 10 ways that I plan to style my black blazer through this fall, transition into fall weather. I absolutely love making these type of videos for you guys. If you guys want to see a specific item styled 10, 5, whatever, how many ways, let me know in the comments down below. If you've not checked out my recent ones, I have a how I style a traveler dress, which is the black Abercrombie athleisure dress, and then also how I style jeans and a white tee, 10 different ways. So I will leave those linked down below in case you're curious to check them out. I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.